how to add location to TikTok video. So if you want to add location to your TikTok video, then what you need to do is just open up your TikTok application. Once you open up your TikTok, now go with the bottom middle, which has that plus icon, and then on take a video. Once you've taken, go with the tick, which is on the bottom right, and now again tap on next. Now here you will have the options. So you can simply go and tag people or mention someone, or you will have more options. Tap on more options, and here you will have the location option. But in my case, I don't have the location because you need to turn on your location. So make sure that you've turned on your location. Once you've turned it on, you need to go back, and even if turning on your location you don't find that, then simply tap and hold on to your TikTok, go with the app info. Once you're under the app info, you need to go with permissions. Under permissions, make sure that you allow the location permission. Once you allow the location, now go back and again go with the same interface, and after that you will get the location option on your TikTok. So that's how you can add your location on your TikTok video, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.